Imagine a world brimming with life where every corner of the earth is alive with the sounds and sights of nature. Lush forests teem with creatures, their calls echoing through the canopy, creating a symphony of life that resonates through the trees. Oceans surge with fish, their scales catching the sunlight, turning the water into a shimmering dance of colors and movement. Now picture that world devoid of animals, where the once vibrant landscapes are eerily silent. The forests fall silent, the trees standing like tombstones, marking the absence of life that once flourished there. The ocean, once a vibrant tapestry of life, becomes a desolate expanse, devoid of the creatures that brought it to life. This is the stark reality we face if animals vanish from the earth. A world transformed into a shadow of its former self. The disappearance of animals would be a catastrophe of unimaginable proportions, affecting every aspect of our planet. It would unravel the intricate web of life that sustains us all, breaking the delicate balance that keeps ecosystems thriving. The consequences would be devastating, not just for the natural world, but for humanity itself, as we rely on these ecosystems for our survival. This is not a dystopian fantasy, but a very real possibility if we do not take action. It is a future we must fight to prevent through conservation efforts and a commitment to protecting our natural world. The time to act is now, before the silence becomes deafening, and the vibrant symphony of life is lost forever. Before the last echo of life fades away, we must come together to ensure that our world remains a place where nature thrives. Animals are not merely inhabitants of our planet. They are vital threads in the intricate tapestry of life. They are the engineers of ecosystems, shaping and maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Consider the humble bee. Flitting from flower to flower, it performs a vital service, pollination. Without bees, countless plant species would disappear, their fruits and seeds vanishing from the earth. Or envision the wolf, a predator often feared but essential to a healthy ecosystem. By keeping herbivore populations in check, wolves prevent overgrazing and ensure the survival of diverse plant life. From the tiniest insect to the largest whale, each animal plays a critical role. Their interactions, often unseen and underappreciated, create the symphony of life that sustains us all. The interconnectedness of life is a delicate dance. The disappearance of one species can send shockwaves through an entire ecosystem. This ripple effect, known as trophic cascade, can have devastating consequences. Imagine a forest where wolves have vanished. Deer, their natural predators, gone, multiply unchecked. They devour vegetation with abandon, stripping the forest floor bare. The loss of plant life leads to soil erosion, making the land inhospitable for other species. The once thriving forest becomes a shadow of its former self. This is just one example of the intricate web of life unraveling. The disappearance of keystone species, those that play a disproportionately large role in their ecosystems, can trigger a domino effect, leading to widespread ecological collapse. The world without animals would be a silent spring, the cheerful chirping of birds, the buzzing of insects, the rustling of small creatures in the undergrowth, all gone. The air, once filled with the music of nature, would be eerily quiet. This silence would be a chilling reminder of the profound loss we would have suffered. The absence of animal sounds would be more than just a sensory deprivation. It would signal a fundamental breakdown of the natural systems that sustain life on Earth. The silence of spring would be a harbinger of a bleak and uncertain future. The consequences of animal disappearance would extend far beyond the natural world. Humanity, so reliant on animals, would face a crisis of unprecedented scale. Our diets would be drastically impoverished. Meat, a staple for billions, would vanish from our plates. Dairy products, eggs, and countless other foods derived from animals would become a distant memory. The global food system, already strained, would collapse under the weight of this sudden and catastrophic loss. But the impact would go far deeper than our stomachs. The loss of animals would leave a gaping hole in our hearts. Pets, our beloved companions, would be gone. The joy and unconditional love they bring to our lives would be extinguished, leaving a void that could never be filled. Animals play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. They are not just passive inhabitants of our planet, they are active participants in maintaining the environmental equilibrium. Their activities, from grazing to migration, influence carbon cycles and help maintain the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. Grazing animals, for instance, help in the growth of new plants, which absorb carbon dioxide. Their disappearance would have profound and potentially irreversible consequences for our climate. Without them, the natural processes that regulate our climate would falter, leading to more extreme weather patterns and a less hospitable planet. Consider the role of whales, these majestic giants of the ocean. They are more than just awe-inspiring creatures. They are crucial to the health of marine ecosystems. Their massive bodies act as carbon sinks, storing vast amounts of carbon that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. Their movements through the water column also help to distribute nutrients, supporting the growth of phytoplankton, which absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Phytoplankton are the foundation of the marine food web and play a significant role in carbon sequestration. The loss of animals like whales would disrupt these vital processes, accelerating climate change and pushing our planet closer to the brink. The cascading effects would be felt across the globe, affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and biodiversity. The delicate balance that sustains life on Earth would be irrevocably altered. Protecting these animals is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about safeguarding the very systems that make life on Earth possible. The world without animals would be a world of profound silence. The symphony of life would be replaced by an eerie quiet. The vibrant tapestry of nature would be reduced to a monochrome canvas. This silence would be a constant reminder of our failure to protect the very creatures that make our planet so special, our failure to recognize our interconnectedness with all living things, and our failure to act before it was too late. We would leave behind a legacy of silence, a world devoid of the beauty, wonder, and diversity that make life on Earth so precious. The future may seem bleak, but it is not yet written. We stand at a crossroads where our choices today will shape the world of tomorrow. The power to change course lies within our hands, and it is up to us to seize this moment. We have the power to change course. By coming together as a community, we can make a significant impact. Every small action, when multiplied by millions, can transform the world. We can choose to listen to the symphony of life, to the melodies of nature that remind us of the beauty and complexity of our planet. These sounds are a testament to the vibrant ecosystems that sustain us. To appreciate the intricate web of existence, we must recognize the delicate balance that supports all life forms. Each thread in this web is vital, and our actions can either strengthen or weaken it. And to protect the creatures that share our planet, we must act with urgency and compassion. These animals are not just part of our world, they are essential to its health and diversity. Supporting conservation efforts is not merely an act of altruism, it is a commitment to preserving the natural world for future generations. By investing in conservation, we are investing in our own survival. It is an act of self-preservation. Our well-being is intrinsically linked to the health of our environment. Clean air, water, and soil are fundamental to our existence. By protecting animals, we are protecting ourselves. The survival of species is interconnected with our own, and their loss would have profound consequences on our ecosystems. We are safeguarding the future of our planet. Every effort we make today contributes to a healthier, more resilient world. Our actions can ensure that the natural beauty we cherish remains for generations to come, and ensuring that future generations inherit a world filled with the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Imagine a future where children can explore vibrant forests, swim in clean oceans, and marvel at the diversity of life. Each one of us can make a difference. Reduce your carbon footprint. Support sustainable practices. Simple changes in our daily lives can lead to significant environmental benefits. Educate yourself and others about the importance of biodiversity. Knowledge is power, and by spreading awareness, we can inspire more people to take action. Speak out against policies that threaten wildlife. Use your voice to advocate for stronger protections and to hold leaders accountable for their environmental commitments. Together, we can create a world where both humanity and nature thrive, a world where our actions reflect our respect for the planet and our commitment to a sustainable future. Let us rise to the challenge and make a lasting difference.